Right, hon, I'm going out in the shop. Oh, what a mess. Good morning. I'm Glenn Nowakowski, and you're watching Glenn Now on YouTube. Welcome back. This morning, we're going to do a quick little video on my shop. It's a mess. I've been trying to put it together or fix it. I thought I'd do a little bit of moving around and make the shop a little bit easier to work in, and I think I got out of hand. Let me show you what I mean. Look at that bench. The bench is a mess. There's my father's Gershner underneath that pile. End mills. More end mills. End mills everywhere. I actually found that on top of a dumpster. It's pretty good. Still works. There's all kinds of... It works. Found that in the old shop I worked in. There's stuff everywhere. 1928. 1938. Delta drill press. I want to be able to refurbish that, redo it. That'll be a video someday. My cutoff saw. Not much, but it works. My mill drill. I use that for basically, sometimes I square up blocks on it. Sometimes I just use it as a countersink driller tap. My mini lathe. Look at that mess over there. That's kind of what I want to move. That's got to all be moved. My optical comparator, that has to be moved. All of this has to be moved. All my inspection tools are just jammed in here. This is supposed to be my grinding bench. What a mess. Stuff all over. Bought that from my old employer. $15. I just haven't done crap with it. Little belt sander. Surface grinder. It's good for sharpening tools. That's about it. Cut necking back my end mills. Drill press. Floor model. Down underneath there is a heat treat oven. Oh yeah, there it is. See what I mean about a mess? I started moving stuff. I just threw it all in the aisles. And, my old 1953 Logan. Veritable speed. It is deadly accurate for its age, but then so am I. I was born in '51. Small CNC mill that I built. A 1910 belt drive, leather or flat belt drive drill press. That I'm going to rebuild someday also. Punch press. The company I worked for threw it in the dumpster when they were moving. It all works because I've used it. It's there. I'm going to refurbish that also. Cabinets. More cabinets with just junk in it. All that stuff has to be cleaned up. And as I do that, I'm going to let you people see my progress, or my lack of that progress. I don't know if you remember my mill, my Herco. People laugh at this. It's like, what the heck is that? It's the controller. Back in the 1990, this is a 99 Hawk 5. It's accurate too. It's a manual drill. It's you spin it by hand, a spindle, and there's a down feed on it. One day I'm going to be rebuilding that. And it really only needs to be taken apart, cleaned up, and painted. More old stuff. Junk everywhere. But I just put this top on here. It's nice and level. Cabinets are nice and level. Do you believe this mess? That's what I mean. I came out here to make a video. This is about as good as it's gonna get. Until I do something. I guess that's why I need to stop showing you all this junk and start doing something about it. This can wait till tomorrow. I'm going in. Honey, I'm home.